Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Kawasaki Z900. This 900cc Super Sport Naked just arrived with only 5,500 miles. ABS brakes. Wait till you hear that Austin Racing exhaust system. It's got a really cool carbon fiber wrap, fender eliminator, bar end mirrors, adjustable levers, and again, only 5,500 miles. Come on by, make your naked street fighter dreams come true for just $74.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.